Now page number 105, the theorem 6.7, you see, sum of the angles of a triangle is 180. Proof you don't have to learn, you have to learn this statement only, that is sum of the angles of a triangle is 180 degree. We know that there are three angles in a triangle, so all three angles together will be 180 degree. So if two of them are given, third one you can find out. Now look at that page number 106, theorem 6.8. The side of the triangle is produced, then exterior angle so formed is equal to the sum of two interior opposite angle. So last year we have learned that one. So what is given? One triangle is there, one side is produced, so you will get, let ABC is a triangle, this side BC is produced, so you got one exterior angle. So let us take this one as D. So ACD is an exterior angle, so this exterior angle will be the sum of these two interior angles, that is interior opposite angles. So let us take this one as X and this one as Y, and this one is equal to Z, so that Z will be equal to X plus Y. Okay, exterior angle will be the sum of two interior opposite angles. Okay, that is theorem 6.8 says. So these two theorems statement you should know to solve the problems. So let us discuss example 7. In figure 6.37, if QT is perpendicular to PR and TQR is equal to 40 degree and SPR is equal to 30 degree, find X and Y. So one figure is given there, so let us draw that one. PQR or triangle, PQR, then QT is perpendicular, that is this one is 90 degree it is given, and it is marked as Y. This angle is 40, this one is equal to 30, this one is X. You are asked to find out the value of X and Y. Okay, now look at this one. One bigger triangle was there, then inside that one you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, so many smaller triangles. Now look at the triangle QTR, this triangle QTR. Okay, QTR. In that one, angle TQR is equal to 40 and angle QTR is equal to 90. So can you find out X? How? That is 40 plus 90 plus X is equal to 180 degree. The first theorem, that is angles in a triangle will be 180. So 40 plus 90 plus X will be 180, or X is equal to 90 plus 40, 130. 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50 you will get. So first let us write that one. In triangle QTR, angle TQR is equal to 40, angle QTR is equal to 90. Therefore, QRT is equal to QRT, angle QRT plus QTR plus TQR is equal to 180. Reason, angle in a angles in a triangle. Okay, so QRT, what is QRT? That is our x. X plus QTR is equal to 90. TQR is equal to 40. That is equal to 180, or x plus 130 is equal to 180, or x is equal to 180 minus 130, that is equal to 50. Okay, so you got x is equal to 50. So now look at this one, x is equal to 50 you got. Now for the triangle PSR, this angle PSQY, that is exterior angle. No, this is exterior angle. So that will be the sum of two interior opposite angle. So y will be equal to 30 plus 50, that is equal to 80. So for triangle PSR, PSQ, that is equal to y, is the exterior angle. Therefore, y is equal to 30 plus x, or 30 plus 50, that is equal to 80. What is the reason? You will write exterior angle will be equal to sum of two interior opposite angles. Okay, so how we solve that one? First we took the triangle QTR. In that one, 40 plus 90 plus x will be equal to 180, because angle in a triangle will be 180 degree. So first you got x. After getting x, you have to take the triangle PSR. For the triangle PSR, PSQ is the exterior angle. So that exterior angle will be the sum of two interior opposite angles. So y will be equal to 50 plus 30, that is equal to 80. Now example 8. The sides AB and AC of triangle ABC are produced to points E and D respectively. If bisectors BO and CO of angle CBE and BCD respectively meet at a point O, then prove that BOC is equal to 90 minus half of BAC. Now first draw that figure. One triangle ABC so here E, then Y, X, then Z, this and this are equal, these two are equal. Okay, now what is given? One triangle ABC is given. AB is produced to E and AC is produced to D. Then we are drawing bisectors of this angle, that is EBC, that is BO, and bisector of DCB, that is equal to CO. So that means these two angles will be equal and these two angles will be equal. You are asked to find out BOC. BOC, you have to prove that it is 90 minus half of BAC. So first look at this line. AB is a line. So Y and the angle CBE will be 180. Linear pair it will come. Y and angle CBE, this angle, this whole angle plus Y will be equal to 180, linear pair. So first write that one. Y plus angle CBE equal to 180. Reason, linear pair. Now what will be CBE? CBE will be equal to 180 minus Y. Okay, 180 minus Y is CBE. But we know that BO is the, as BO is the bisector, CBO, this angle CBO will be half of CBE. So as BO is the bisector, CBO will be equal to half of CBE. So CBO will be equal to half of CBE means half of 180 minus Y, that is equal to half of 180 means 90. 90 minus Y by 2. So CBO you got 90 minus Y by 2. Similarly here also you can do Z plus DCB, Z plus DCB equal to 180, or Z is equal to 180 minus DCB, or DCB means DCB is equal to 180 minus Z you can put, or you want this angle, that is BCO. BCO is the bisector, half is equal to half of DCB, directly we can write, or that is equal to half of 180 minus Z, or BCO will be equal to 180, half of 180 is 90 minus Z by 2. Now this angle you got, this also you got. So what will be BOC? BOC in a triangle, this is a triangle, BOC is a triangle now. So BOC will be equal to 180 minus this plus this. Okay. So BOC, or in a triangle you can write, in a triangle BOC, angle BOC plus BCO plus CBO that is equal to 180, or BOC, what is this one, 180, 90 minus y by 2, then here it is 90 minus z by 2, that is equal to 180, or BOC equal to 180 minus, here 90, here 90 is there, so 90 plus 90, 180, so when it comes to here 180, here negative, this also negative, so it will be positive y by 2 plus z by 2, 180 and 180 will get cancelled. So you are getting y plus z divided by 2. So BOC is equal to y plus z divided by 2. Then look at this one, y plus z divided by 2. So you know that x plus y plus z is equal to 180. No, in a triangle ABC, x plus y plus z will be equal to, in triangle ABC, x plus y plus z is equal to 180, or x is equal to 180 minus, or you can take that x is equal to 180 minus y plus z, or x by 2 will be equal to, or x by 2, actually you need y plus z, no? So y plus z is equal to 180 minus x, or y plus z divided by 2 will be equal to 180 minus by 2, here also by 2, 90 minus x by 2. So what is x plus y, y plus z divided by 2, that is equal to 90 minus x by 2, and what is our given thing, that is equal to x, here y plus z by 2 you got, that is equal to 90 minus x by 2. What is x by 2? That is equal to BAC. Okay, so how you have to prove that one? First you have to take this one, that is y plus CBE will be equal to 180, then y CBE will be equal to 180 minus y, or CBO will be equal to half of that one, that is 90 minus y by 2. Then again here you have to take the same way, z you will get, that is DC B equal to 180 minus z, or CBCO will be equal to 90 minus z by 2. Now after getting that one, BOC you have to take, this angle will be 180 minus this plus this, that you got. Now after getting that, look at the first triangle ABC, x plus y plus z will be equal to 180, then x plus y will y plus z will be equal to 180 minus x, or y plus z by 2 will be equal to 180 minus x by 2, that is equal to 90 minus x by 2. So put it in this equation. So that is equal to 90 minus x by 2, y plus z by 2. And what is x by 2? X angle is BAC. So x by 2 will be equal to half of BAC. Okay.